Here's a bold statement. The way you walk could be the key to a longer, healthier life. But it's not just about the number of steps you take. And this is the part most people miss. It's the duration of your walks that might matter more than you think. A groundbreaking study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine suggests that longer, uninterrupted walking sessions could significantly reduce your risk of heart disease and early death. But here's where it gets controversial. This challenges the popular belief that short, frequent exercise snacks are just as effective. The study, involving 33,560 adults in the UK, tracked participants' daily movements using wrist-worn accelerometers. Researchers divided them into 4 groups based on how they accumulated their steps: bouts shorter than 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and 15 minutes or longer. But results? Those who walked for 15 minutes or more at a stretch had the lowest risk of dying during the 9.5-year follow-up period, while those who took shorter walks faced higher risks. Even more striking, adults who transitioned from a sedentary lifestyle to longer walks saw the most significant health improvements. But here's the kicker. This study directly contradicts the idea that 10,000 steps a day is the magic number. According to Stephen Reekman, a kinesiology expert, that goal is more of a marketing gimmick than a science-backed rule. Instead, the body needs time to shift from rest to exercise mode, and shorter walks might not allow for the full physiological benefits, like increased body temperature, to kick in. This raises a thought-provoking question. Are we overcomplicating fitness by obsessing over step counts instead of focusing on sustained effort? Interestingly, the study also found that sedentary individuals who started walking longer bouts saw dramatic improvements. For example, those who walked less than 5 minutes had a 5.13% risk of death during the study, compared to just 0.86% for those walking over 15 minutes. This suggests that even small changes can yield big results, but longer walks might be the secret weapon. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What about those exercise snacks we've been told are so beneficial? While a recent study in the British Journal of Sports Medicine praised short bursts of moderate to vigorous activity, this new research focuses on unstructured, low-intensity steps. The difference? Intensity and structure. So, while every step does count, as the American Heart Association reminds us, the debate remains. Are longer walks the missing piece in our fitness puzzle? One of the study's strengths is its focus on older adults with an average age of 62. This challenges the misconception that it's too late to improve heart health as we age. As Carmen Swain, a health and exercise science expert, puts it, you can start walking at any age. It's not too late. But here's the challenge. How do we motivate older adults to embrace walking when they've been sedentary for years? With heart disease being the leading cause of death in the U.S., the answer could be a matter of life and death. So here's the big question for you. Do you think longer walks are the key to better health? Or is the 10,000 steps a day mantra still worth following? Let's spark a conversation. Share your thoughts in the comments below.